will spread their light not only in their school, in their school environment, in their school campus, but this light they'll also spread in their neighborhood and in whatever places they go from the school. With all these words, I once again thank you very much for calling me here and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for inspiring us, enlightening us, and motivating us. I request you to stay back for a very important solemn occasion. We are greatly indebted to you, sir, for having graced the annual prize distribution function of our school, and wish to express our gratitude by presenting you with a memento. I request Mr. M.P. Gupta, Chairman of the School Trust, Dr. Lajpat Rai, Chairman of the School Managing Committee, and Mr. Ashwini Kumar of the school, the manager of the school, to do the honors, please. Thank you, everyone. I request our worthy manager, Mr. Ashwini Kumar, to pass the vote of thanks. Please, sir.
Dr. Vineet Joshi, Chairman CBSE, Chief Guest for the day, Shri M.P. Gupta ji, President of Shri Kundan Lal Trust, Dr. Lajpat Rai ji, President of the KVM Managing Committee, other members of the Trust and the Managing Committee, esteemed parents, Mrs. Navita Puri, Principal of the school, and other staff members, esteemed guests, various principals of other schools, and the guests of the managements of different schools, parents, dear children, ladies and gentlemen. It's my proud privilege to perform this pleasant duty of proposing a vote of thanks. At the outset, I'm extremely grateful to Dr. Vineet Joshi, who, despite his very busy and hectic schedule, could make it to Ludhiana despite all odds. We have been trying to get him for the last 2 years, but somehow or the other, there were certain obstacles. Today also, there was an obstacle. The flight didn't take off, but I think we were determined, and so was Dr. Joshi keen to come. So we must thank him. Sir, as you are already aware, this school was set up way back in 1941. We went through a documentary. Rai Sahab Kundan Lal ji had set up this school with certain ideals. We are trying our level best to keep up to his ideals and provide quality education to the children. And not only in the field of education, we are trying our level best to inculcate in them the basic moral values and provide them an opportunity to excel in other fields like other extracurricular activities, so that they can turn out to be good, responsible citizens of this country. It was nice to hear your views. I think your words were so short, but I think you summed up everything in that, because the discipline has to start, the confidence has to come in the children from the school. We assure you, sir, we will try our level best to infuse the best of confidence in our children so that they can serve their motherhood, they can serve their country to their best. I must thank Shri MP Gupta ji, President of the Trust, who has come all the way from Delhi to be a part of this function. At this very moment, I will like to express my deep sense of gratitude to all the members of the Trust and Managing Committee who lent their unstinted support in conducting all activities and functions of the school. My special thanks to Mrs. Navita Puri and her entire team, because it is because of their efforts throughout the year that we are able to produce such children who excel in different fields, maybe in academics and other extracurricular activities. My special appreciation for all those children who participated in various activities today, various programs today. As Dr. Joshi said, especially the last item. So a big round of applause for all of them. My special thanks to the parents, because they are a part and parcel of our family. Without their support, it is not possible to conduct any function. And we are happy that we have always been getting full support from them. My thanks to the district, police and civil administration, who have always been very cooperative in extending a helping hand. My special thanks to the electronic and print media, who have always been giving a very wide coverage to the various activities which we conduct in the school. मेरा विशेष तौर पे बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मैं कहना चाहूँगा अपने सारे सपोर्ट स्टाफ को, जिनके अथक परिश्रम के बिना हम कोई भी कार्य, कोई भी फंक्शन इस विद्यालय में नहीं कर सकते। उनके लिए मेरा बहुत बहुत विशेष तौर पे धन्यवाद, और मैं आप सबको कहूँगा उनके लिए एक जोरदार ताली के साथ उनका धन्यवाद। My special thanks to my dear children, because it is only children, your efforts, your hard work, that we are able to organize such functions, and it is only because of your labor that the name of this institution will always rise, and we wish you all the best in times to come. Once again, my thanks to each one of you for having graced this occasion. My special thanks to all the principals of the affiliated schools and the managements, representatives of the different managements of schools who have come and spared their valuable time to be a part of this function. Once again, thanks one and all.
The heights achieved by great men were not attained in a sudden flight.
But they, while their companions slept, were toiling upward in the night.
Friends, like everything else in life, the measure of success is what we put into it and not what we get out of it.
जितना अपनाओगे उतनी निखर जाएगी. जिंदगी ख्वाब नहीं है कि बिखर जाएगी. Those who could not make it on the stage today, do not despair. Put in your best, and I'm sure that you'll be standing here with the rest.
So goodbye and hasta mañana till we meet again.
I request the audience to kindly stand in attention for the national anthem.
Can